Welcome to our latest tutorial. In this video, we're excited to introduce Dark Reader, a brand new plugin by BdThemes. Dark Reader is a lightweight WordPress tool that adds a sleek, customizable dark mode to any website. It helps reduce eye strain, conserve battery on OLED screens, and improve readability, especially in low-light environments. Let's walk through how to install it and see it in action. To get started, go to your WordPress dashboard. On the left-hand sidebar, hover over the Plugins tab and click Add Plugin. At the top right corner of the page, you'll see a search bar. Type Dark Reader into the field, and the Dark Reader plugin by BdThemes should appear in the results. Click the Install Now button to begin the installation. Once it's done, click Activate to enable the plugin. This will redirect you to the Dark Reader dashboard under the Settings tab. At this point, the installation is nearly complete. The Dark Reader plugin is currently available for free, and a pro version with extended features is coming soon. Let's now walk through the customization process to make the most of its features. At the top of the dashboard, you'll find 5 tabs aligned horizontally: Appearance, Toggle Button, Advanced, Colors, and Help and Support. Under the Appearance tab, you'll see a shortcode that allows you to place the toggle button anywhere within your content. Next to it, there's a toggle switch that lets you activate dark mode by default for all your site's visitors. Just below, you'll find sliders for brightness and contrast that can be adjusted based on your design needs or visual preferences. Now move to the Toggle Button tab. This section lets you choose where the toggle button appears on your website. You can position it in any of the 4 corners: top left, top right, bottom left, or bottom right. Below the position settings, you'll find 5 style options: default, round, switch, toggle, and minimal. Pick your desired button style and placement, then click the Save Settings button to apply the changes. Next, head to the Advanced tab. Here, you'll find 3 toggle switches under the System and Performance section. The first switch enables or disables System Color Scheme, which allows your site to follow the visitor's system-wide light or dark mode preference. The second switch toggles dark mode for PDF files. The third one instantly applies dark mode to dynamic content, ensuring a consistent appearance across your entire site. Scroll down to find the Advanced Filters section. Here you can choose between dimmed mode and dark mode. Dimmed mode offers a softer contrast, while dark mode delivers a deeper visual effect. There's also an option to apply a text stroke, making your typography bolder and easier to read. After making adjustments, be sure to click Save Settings again. Now open the Colors tab. This is where you can manually select the color scheme for your dark mode layout. Start by picking a background color, like black, and then select a text color, like white. If you leave these fields empty, the plugin will use its default algorithm to determine the best colors. After customizing the color palette, click the Save Settings button to lock in your choices. Lastly, navigate to the Help and Support tab. This section includes documentation on how to use the shortcode and solve common issues. It's highly recommended to review these resources for a smoother experience. If you run into problems, scroll down and click the Contact Support button to reach our technical team. Don't forget to click Save Settings one last time before you exit the dashboard. Now that everything is set up, let's see it in action. Visit any page on your website. You'll see a small toggle button in the corner, whichever position you selected earlier. Click it, and the entire page will instantly switch to dark mode, reflecting the exact settings you configured. Click it again to return the page to its original light appearance. With just a few steps, you've added a fully customizable dark mode feature to your site. Enjoy the new look and keep an eye out for even more powerful features in the upcoming Pro version of Dark Reader. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated with the latest features and tools. Thanks for watching.